office then, insurance sector reforms could be on the horizon, with our IRDAI member Swaminathan S Iyer indicating that a discussion paper is expected to be released soon. Speaking exclusively to ET Now, Iyer said policyholder protection will remain the guiding principle behind any changes to the distribution framework. Listen in to a slice of this conversation.
We need a huge, multiples of distribution channels. So I will not really say that there should be only a one company, one insurer approach. Regulations are open today. Banks and corporate agents.
But it's a mandatory open architecture there.
Correct. When you leave it to the market forces to determine, okay. Some banks you see and some corporate agents have gone to multiple, and they are also doing an equally good job. Some have consciously wanted to stay back. We leave it to them, because as a regulator, we will not want to get into the way businesses run by whether an intermediary or an insurer. We would want to enable an orderly growth in this industry. Primary focus being policyholders protection. Distribution reforms is actually emanated from the request from the industry itself that we need to bring in some more semblance to the way distribution is done. It's also evident from the way RBI has drafted its directions. And the SBSR Act also mandates the regulatory authority to bring in some regulations on commission. So looking at all that, we are still, I cannot really put a finger to a timeline here. We are working on it. And yes, the discussion paper will be out.
So this financial year, final guideline this financial year, or will be from next financial year?
Well, the discussion paper will come out soon. And it all depends upon what kind of feedback we receive from public as well as industry. And then we'll decide how to take that forward. We are conscious of the fact that it's a large impact area, and accordingly we'll work. Some of the insurers definitely have put a weightage on persistency for the distributor. So it's happening, but yes, I mean, we will also look at all of that, because ultimately it is important that the policyholder stays protected. Simplicity, complexity of the product, and the type of customer that you reach out to, the tenure of the policy that you sell. Okay, all of those will be linked. I'm just thinking aloud right now, but all of those will be linked. At the same time, as a regulatory authority, we will not get into prescriptive regulations.
Okay, so that's the view coming in on the insurance sector, and perhaps some changes are likely over the next few months. But on that note, we need to slip into a very short break. More news and updates will continue on the other side.